Hello guys, in this video I'm going to tell you why don't you get traffic to your website. So there has lot of common issues, so let's discuss about those things. Okay, first one is grammar mistake. So if you create website for a website in English but your website has lot of grammar mistakes, your visitors will not like to read your content because they will not understand. It's common sense. So what you can do it for it, do it to fix grammar. So you can use Grammarly or you can use Word. When you put your content on Word, it will show if there has any grammar mistake, it will highlight in red color and red and blue colors. So when you fix those issues, your content will grammar mistake free and users will love your content because they will understand it. Okay, next one is useful content. So think about a website user or visitor of your website. They come to your website for get solution to their problem, some kind of their problem. So your content must be valuable for them and your content should fix their problem. So as example, if you create a website about yourself, your users will not like to your website. If you create yourself, your users will not get any useful content. So you must be create useful content and you must be give solution to your users, then they will check your article until end. And second one is readability. So you fix your grammar mistake and you write useful information, but if your content didn't have any paragraph, any images and any headlines, they will not like to read it because it's like a book. So it's really hard to read content without good looking paragraphs and headlines. So always make paragraphs and increase readability, then you will get visitors to your website and they will stay on your website. So content quality is the first one you must consider if you don't have any traffic. Keyword research is the second thing you must consider because there has lot of high difficulty keyword and most of website built around those keywords. So if you target those kind of high difficulty keyword, you will never get any kind of traffic to your website and users will not found your website because those keywords already rank on Google with other websites. So if you new to this blogging, you will never come to Google first page or your website will never found by visitors if you use high difficulty keyword. So you must use low difficulty keyword. So you can use keyword research tool like Moz and Ahrefs. So on those keyword research tool you will able to find low difficulty keyword. Also write article using long tail keyword because there has lot of long tail keyword which low difficulty. So you can, if you can find long tail keyword, you will able to write good content. Also your content will be found by users. So you can use keyword research tool to do it. Next thing is SEO optimize. So you must be consider about SEO when you create your article and create your website. When you create your article, you must do on-page SEO. I mean, you have to add image ALT tags and you have to you have to put your target keyword on paragraphs and on headlines and like that. You always have to do on-page SEO. So I already create video about how to create on-page SEO article. So you can use Yoast SEO plugin to create on-page SEO article. Next thing is you have to add webmaster tools to your website. So you can use Google Webmaster Tool, Bing and Yandex. Then when you add your sitemap to those Webmaster tools, they will identify your website and it will rank on their search engine. So you have to upload your sitemap and submit your website to those Webmaster tools. So lot of guys miss this part and they will not identify, their website will not identify by search engine. So definitely do the Webmaster tool. Next one is backlink and social traffic. So you have to create backlink to rank on Google or get visitors to your website. So you can use Web 2.0 backlink, like you can add your link on places like Blogspot and medium.com and other forums. So also you can do guest posting. So in guest posting you will find lot of website that dedicated to post your URL. Also you have to find high domain authority website and get backlink from those websites. So you can .edu website, .net website, like that. Just try to find high domain authority website and get backlink from those websites. So that is the another best way to rank your website and make Google trust about your website and content. Also social media traffic is one of the best way to get traffic. So if you make content but you didn't share your content on social media like Facebook, Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, like that, you will never get visitors or you will never rank on Google, because social media signals is very important to rank onto your website. So when you post your content or when you create a post and put your link on that post, the visitors or social media visitors will come to your website and they will watch your content. Maybe if your content is really great, they will share your content. So this is best way to make some traffic on your website. So you can definitely, you must share your content on social media or share your website on social media. Next one is website quality or user experience. This is the most required thing you must consider, but lot of guys miss this part. So as example, you have website but that website load very slowly on mobile, so no one come to your website and they will not like to wait like 50-30 seconds to seconds until load your website. So you must optimize your website speed. Also lot of visitors use tablet and mobile phone, so you have to make your website responsive. So if you have website only target desktop and laptop, and if visitors come to your website using mobile phone, they will not able to check whole content of your website and they will not able to smoothly check your website on mobile phone. So that is huge disadvantage. So you must select theme. If you use WordPress, you must select theme which has mobile responsive. And second one is website navigation. So you must have a clear navigation on your website. So if you don't have any home URL or categories to your URL, visitors will confuse about your website and they will not find a way to search through your website. So that will affect to your bounce rate. So if someone not like one article and he will not able to find to check next another article, so they will not wait on your website, they will go off. So this is another important fact you must consider if you don't have any kind of traffic on your website. Next one is font size. So you will get traffic from different age of visitors. So font size is really important, because if some old person come to your website, he will not see your font if your font is small. So you have to consider about font size and font color. So if you have good looking font and it's easy to read, they will stay on your website and they will love to read your content. So your website must be organized. You have to when you create article, you have to add paragraphs and headlines, images, videos, like that. Also your content should be organized. If you write about traveling, don't write about make money online in that same website, because that will confuse users. So always organize your website. So next one is you have to be patient. So at least you have to wait 6 months for get consistent traffic. So if you didn't work to get those traffic, you will not get traffic. So you have to work and you have to keep upload content to your website and keep posting on social media and build backlink. So do this like 6 months, you will see the traffic, and Google will rank your website on their search engine and on their first page. So that way you will build huge empire of your huge viewers on your website. So those are the ways. If you don't have any traffic, you must consider. So be patient and do those things and do it correctly. You will see the great results. So I hope you enjoy the video. I will see you in next time. Bye bye.